All right, what's up, guys? Not much in our MR2. Look at that, man. That first-person view right here. You like it in here? 1,000 horsepower car, right? Okay, so steering wheel. Putting on a removable steering wheel because they're a cool thing to do. All the stance guys have one, so I want one too. So, first things first. What you want to do is make sure you remove the factory wheel. That's pretty easy. I was going to put that part in here, but that's boring and nobody really cares about that. There's 2 special screws on each side that bolt the airbag in. Once you take the airbag out, there's a big nut right here. I want to say that's a 19 maybe. Take the 19 off and then fight, pull, hit. And then maybe you can break this seal around here because the wheel has probably been on there for probably what? Yeah, this car's 30 years, and then you'll break it free. So now you want to buy one of these pieces, a hub adapter. Let's see, where's the, yeah, this is the top. The top has the NRG on the top because this is what cool kids buy. So now, before you slide this on and just bolt it on and, well, okay, yeah, make sure your wheels are straight too so you know when you put this on that it's at the top. But there are 3 holes in the back of that thing. See the 3? 1, 2, 3. Those have to line up with these holes up here. 1, 2, and 3. And the reason these have to line up, because if you don't get this right, your turn signals won't cut off when you finish the car, like when you turn. So this is very 90s operation because everything's mechanical, nothing's electrical. So, for example, say you're driving, you want to turn the car left. This whole system turns left, right? Okay, now if your dots are lined up right, when you turn the wheel to the left, there's a little bump on here, and it clips over it. Okay, but it only goes one way, so you're still turning left. Now, when you come back around the turn, and you turn back, what does this do? It grabs it and whoop, back down. Okay, so that's how you want to just make sure that these are lined up right, because if this is not lined up right, when you put your turn signal on, you can turn the wheel back, nothing will happen. You don't want that to happen. So, all right, that's the hard part out of the way, but if you get these holes lined up, let's see, I can't do this with 2 hands, can I? Let's find somewhere to mount you. I guess we'll stick you in the shifter hole. Hang on, let's see here. All right, so I'm guessing you guys can see right now. Okay, so slide your piece on. Make sure this is straight because you'll normally see that the, actually, yeah, is that in there? Yep, it's in there. Okay. You normally know how this goes because it'll be either one clicked one way or one clicked the wrong way. Slide that on. Make sure it's on there good. Grab your bolt that you still had. Slide that back on. Screw that on. Make sure it's tight. There's probably some recommended torque amount, but nobody knows that amount, so who knows. Take your bolt. Turn your wheel on. Okay, probably pretty good. Yeah. All right. Then you grab your next piece, your hub adapter. Well, this is not the hub adapter. This is the quick release. So grab your quick release. And 2, these don't come with bolts for some odd reason. So you have to go to the hardware store and get some bolts. So hopefully these hardware store bolts will line up. All right, and then once you tighten down all your bolts, you don't have another steering wheel because you're too poor, and you can't afford another steering wheel. So you go next door to your RSX and you grab the wheel out of that. All right, so you grab your nice, man, look at that, nardy wheel out of your RSX. You slide that on here and it should, ooh, look at that. I like that. Feels nice. Oh man, oh dude, check out the leg room too. Man, this used to be really tight for us over 6'3" people. You don't normally have a lot of leg room in the MR2, but now, oh man, I can really drive this thing now. All right, well, steering wheel's in, take it off, pull the clips back. Oh, I probably can do this with 2 hands. Yep, pop it off, and then you put it back in that car when you drive, because you only can drive one at one time, right? So, sorry RSX, I'm stealing your wheel, because you now have a wheel in here. So, all right, pretty simple install. Looks nice. Got extra leg room. This is really nice. I actually like this because I can actually drive this thing now. I used to be like, man, it's so tight in here, but works now. So, all right, guys, next video. Not sure what we'll be doing, but later.